Welcome to 8707 East Florida Avenue, number 813 at the gated River Rock Condominiums. You are greeted by a charming and private patio as you enter the unit. The condo boasts large windows, an open floor plan, and white cabinets with granite countertops. This property comes with a stackable washer and dryer and a rare bonus of a one-car garage. This darling one-bedroom, one-bathroom plus a den has recently been updated and is move-in ready. The large bedroom boasts a walk-in closet, and there is an ample-sized den, perfect for a daybed and home office. River Rock offers a community room and pool, just minutes away from the Highline Canal and Cherry Creek. This property is being offered at $210,000 and is not to be missed. Call me today at 303-885-9671 for a showing.